In this video, you'll learn when you should spell out numbers in text, when you should use numerals instead, and where to find specific rules and exceptions, because there are many. The first general rule for APA style regarding numbers is that numbers less than 10 are written as words, such as in these examples. 2 groups of patients, 7 treatment groups, 9 units adopted the new protocol, and after 2 treatments, patients were asked to complete 3 surveys. The second general rule is that numbers 10 and greater are written as numerals, such as in these examples. Among the participants, 10 received the treatment. Surveys included 21 questions. Now, of course, there are always exceptions to both of those rules, and for the most important exceptions, you'll want to see your APA manual or the APA style blog. One extremely important rule to understand is that no sentence can begin with a numeral. Only written out words can begin sentences. So when you have a sentence like the example, 96% of patients scored a 10 or above, you need to spell out that number or rewrite the sentence. Spelling out the number looks like this, and it's a fine solution to the problem. However, rewriting the sentence so it doesn't begin with the large number is your best bet, not only for clarity, but for space savings as well. Now, what happens if you have 2 consecutive numbers in a sentence? It can cause confusion unless you decide to go against the grain and actually write out one of the numbers or use a numeral even when the rule would typically dictate that you do the opposite. In the top example, I wrote out 2 and then used the numeral 2 in the second case. In the second example, I spelled out 14 because seeing 2017 and a comma can make it hard to see what the 14 means. You can always review pages 111 to 113 in the 6th edition of the APA manual to make sure you're getting all of your numbers correct. And I encourage you to check out the 5-part series Feel Like a Number on the APA Style blog. It covers just about everything you could ever want to know about APA style and numbers.